Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a word of warning to some of you that might be tempted and going to save, for example, a full web page on your Windows PC. A security researcher called Mr. Docs has found a flaw that actually makes the saving of a full web page kind of dangerous in Windows because a JavaScript code could be implemented and it bypasses what Windows uses to check for downloads, which is the mark of the web. Mark of the web means that Microsoft Windows will be looking at an ID, at a security number that it can relate to know that, oh, this is safe to download. And the security researcher says it's by tricking users that this can happen. And so, of course, there will probably be a fix within the next patch Tuesday for this. But it happens by phishing attempt. Like most malware and problems are phishing attempts, which are an email that you get that has something, that a link or whatever. And when you click on it, it will download malware and install malware. In this case, what it does is that the link can open either a file explorer window that will try to, will have in it something that is more of a command that can be done on the command prompt, for example, or of Windows, and it might be disguised in a way that you don't realize it, but it might show when a file or something wants to download. It might show actually as a full web page. It's going to say web page complete HTML, and in there, well, if that page would contain a set of JavaScript rules that are specific for a attack, you would be bitten and could get malware on your PC. So be very, very careful what you do on emails. I hate anything that has links or attachments in emails for that, because this is the number one way you get viruses on PCs. And this is for everybody. It's not a Windows thing. It's for Linux and Mac also, and but this case is mostly because it just bypasses the mark of the web, so you don't have that warning that says, oh, maybe that file that you just downloaded or that thing you just did is not safe. Maybe it's better not. But in this case, you'll have it just download because it will bypass that security check. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.